Hello, we are ABC Tech, a global software development company with niche expertise and a focus on the latest technologies. Today, we will present our product platform, LEONUS Banking Digital. We call our platform Banking Digital because we believe that in financial industry, banking always comes first, as digital is a must-have improvement of the classical banking model. Our platform is using blockchain, and we truly believe in this fantastic technology. LEONUS enables simple and easy deployment of the blockchain-powered digital bank and custom services through LEONUS Marketplace. That's why our project is using smart contracts and the blockchain in its fundamentals, general ledger and user identity. Every transaction is written in a private blockchain based on proof of authority algorithm. Okay, Goran, let's start the demo.
Okay, thank you, Adam. What we are going to show you here today is the actual upcoming implementation for a client called Money Rebel, which is a financial advisory platform aiming to provide their clients with banking services. So the application that you see here, of course, with the intro screen is customizable per each client, and we will continue with the completely digital onboarding process of the client that does not require any kind of physical interaction. So let me just enter some basic data here. My email address for getting the contact details for the app activation. We will click next. We will enter the code for the activation, and then we will start the very simple KYC data collection process to the OCR of the documentation. So let me scan my document. Okay, turn to the back side. Okay, I have to prove that it's me. Well, I think it's done. Okay. This modeling is not so easy as it seems, actually. So let me verify the data so we can here check when we are onboarding if all the data are okay. My details, if you're a politically exposed person, you can add additional information, of course. This is customizable according to regulation and country. I will click next. At this step, I will define my PIN, which can be simple, 4-digit or up to 8-digit, depending on the preferences. Choose the authentication based on the platform. Of course, here we use iPhone X, is going to be Face ID. And then in the next step, our account will be created at the core banking, and the information on that will be written in the private blockchain, which is the essential part of the system that we are using. And you can see this little green guy on our live visualization screen, which is the activity, and also we have the welcome bonus on our both accounts that we have created. I'm going to show you in the next few seconds. Okay, so we are set up, the KYC is done, approved, everything is written in the blockchain for the generations to come, and we are going to log in into our app. Here, our UX team did a very good job by providing a very simple interface but rich in functionalities. We have the overview of the accounts, current account, Giro account. You can manage cards, check, perform payments, check history. And also what is important in this era of open banking, we enable our clients through this platform to introduce additional third-party services like loans, insurance, etc. Also, the user can manage his settings through the platform. So let's go to the actual payment. So I will start the transaction. We can do it internal transfers from one account to another, or we can do it to the account. I will use the information from my phone book, which I can do here. Enter the description, demo, enter some amount. Okay, continue. Here on this screen, I can review the actual transaction, the details, if I'm wrong or not, if something is incorrect. I will click confirm payment. Additionally, since it's above threshold, I will add additional layer of security and confirm the transaction. And not only the payment has been completed, but the transaction itself is going to also be written in the blockchain for the purpose of protecting the general ledger. There you can see the activity that just happened with a little green guy doing this part. And we are going back to the completed payment, and this is actually what you just saw, the entire user experience, which is very simple, but yet secure, protected by the blockchain technology, future-proof, immutable, and ready to be deployed in a very short period of time for time to market. Okay, Edin, unless you want to see another transaction, we can do it again if you want to see the green guys walking on the screen, but you can finish up.
Okay, thank you, Goran.
You're welcome.
To conclude, what you have just seen, it's only part of our solution. Behind this beautiful app, it's a full core banking engine, together with the state-of-the-art digital channel layer. Core banking is in line with all EU regulation. It's a modular and kit-like approach, but what enables us to target different use cases. From the companies wants to introduce basic financial services, to the advanced FinTech service providers, all the way to the full digital bank initiatives. The offerings include white label solution with the mobile app or SDK for the third-party integration. What is really important is that for the basic installation, we can do implementation in less than 3 months. I will say now, visit us on our stand, but probably you will not have time, so hope to see you again. Thank you.
Thank you.